Hi, my name is Kellen, and today we're going to be making a magnetic easy clip photo frame. The supplies that you're going to need are all in the bag. You'll need 3 large craft sticks, 1 small craft stick, 2 magnets, pom-poms, 1 clothespin, glue, and 1 Q-tip to spread the glue. The only thing not included in the bag is a picture to put in the frame. So first, you'll need to align the craft sticks into roughly a square shape. It does not have to be perfectly square. Have fun shaping the frame. Next, glue the sticks together where they meet. Allow time for the glue to dry. Take the backing off of the magnets. The backing may have already fallen off the magnets. That's okay. Glue the magnets somewhere at the back. Doesn't really matter where. Allow time for the glue to dry. Then flip the frame over and glue on the pom-poms wherever you'd like to put them. Now find a nice place for the clothespin to go. Allow the glue to thoroughly dry. Now find or print a photo to put in the frame. You can come down to the library to do the printing. It costs 15 cents for black and white photos or 70 cents for color. Last step, find a nice metal surface like your refrigerator to hang it up. Now enjoy looking at your colorful framed photo. If you want to learn more about crafting at home, check out some of these books.
Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag at Mesa County Lib in your post.